Alright, what's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly, and I'm back with another daggone video. Yo. So today, y'all, I gonna be doing a few things. Like I said, I'm gonna be changing. I gotta do my own work. Like what you gonna see on my channel, you gonna see majority doing my own work, me getting help, or me taking it to somebody. But majority stuff like this, I could do it myself. So I'm gonna be changing my brake pads and my rotors on my Mazda 3. So changing rotors and brake pads to any car are pretty much the same. It's not really hard. It's not difficult. What you do is you need your jack, you need your jack stands, you need your little C clamp, and you need this to actually take it off, like the piston and stuff. Like I show y'all, but you need this to push back the piston and stuff like that. And then of course you're gonna need your parts, which is the rotors and the brake pads. Yeah, you get that done, and it's fairly simple, man. I'm just gonna bring this to you. And where is my 300? I don't know where my 300 is right now. Nah, but my 300 is with my family real quick. They needed a car, so I let them borrow the 300, man. See, that's what you gotta do. You gotta let your family do what you gotta do, man. Family first. Let them, roll around 300. They rolling around in style right now. I'm rolling around in a Mazda, so it's taking me a little time. So all right, let's get to the video. All right, y'all. So I said I can do this. What, 15 minutes? 15 minutes. So what, an hour? So I said 15 minutes each side, right? Charles said he can do it before 15 minutes, so he about to show me. And I've been doing it since I bought the car, so he gonna show me something different. Let me see, man. I don't know what he gonna show me. So I gotta get these things painted. Hey Charles, I need to spray paint my my calipers. You want me to give him a second? Man, he ain't got no special tool. I'm talking smack, ain't I? Ooh, we got more surprises. I can't show you. Let me show you real quick. Ooh, not no more. Can't show you no more of that, man. Had to show you quick. Mazda always getting Mazda. She get more Mazda than my 300, y'all. Cause you need them though. That's the thing. My 300 don't really need that much Mazda. That car is pretty much brand new. It's a 2019 300, and everything is pretty much brand spanking new on it. I keep it. I didn't drive it at all in the snow, so ain't got no type of nothing underneath it, and I keep it clean. All right, so he got something. I don't know what he got. Man. He got a screwdriver. But you gotta change the whole, you gotta take the pads off and the rotor. So,
I tell you what, I gotta change the what now? What did you just say? I know what I need to do.
The pads and the rotor. I'm changing the rotors, but you gotta take that off.
Yeah, you're gonna change new pads and rotors, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, how much you want to bet that I can do this in about 15 minutes?
I said 15 minutes.
On off and put it back together, put your wheel on the car.
I said 15 minutes. You said less than 15 minutes.
No, 15 minutes.
Right,
oh, you can do your side 15 minutes?
Yeah, I can do my side 15 minutes. That's
all right,
easy.
I'll tell you what, do that one. We'll take the wheel off. See if you do it in 15 minutes. I guarantee you don't do it in 15 minutes.
Let me see. I can't record the whole thing.
There you go, bro.
Yeah, you cheating though.
No, give me that back.
Nah.
You can't flip it. All right, give me the key then.
Too late.
Give me the key. You got
I'll give it back to you.
No, give me the key. I'll use it right around.
You sure?
Yeah, man. I'm telling you, I still can do it faster than you.
Man, this is easy right here.
Okay.
You ain't gotta change nothing, do you?
Nope.
All right, let's see. Let's see if you know what you know. Yeah, see, this is easier. That's how I should have been had this. See, I told you. That ain't hard.
Oh, I know it's hard.
Hey, man, that's what I had, man. I ain't have all these fancy tools, you know?
You know what?
Hey Charles, I've been doing this for years, man. This is not my first rodeo change.
I didn't say it wasn't.
This is probably my fourth time or fifth time changing my brakes on this car. Oh yeah, you gotta take the whole thing out. My bad. Oh no, you turning the whole wheel.
Oh, hey, put it back there. There you go.
I'm gonna need another rack of pin.
Oh, no.
Do it to you?
No. That ain't gonna
Y'all, Charles moving. He ain't gonna beat me though. That's what I know. He ain't gonna beat me. Can't beat me, dude. I'm going on win. I think I'm going, man. Hold on. See, this is what Charles don't got. He don't got this. I don't even think this drink fit. Hold on. I'm wilding out. Hold on. How I used to do this? It's been a minute. It's been a minute, y'all. Dang, how I used to do this. I do need a screwdriver. I got a screwdriver. Here you go. Got it. Got the thicky thick. Oh yeah, you got these little clip thingy thing.
Clip thingy.
These little clip thingies. I don't know what they call. I don't know what they call, man. Oh, you do gotta take the bottom off. See, I told y'all. I told you.
You said you didn't take the bottom. We gotta start take both of them now.
You need some help over there?
I'm not even gonna get my ratchet for this shit.
Why you taking that one off?
You'll see. I'm trying to change the road, you'll see.
You ain't gotta take that off for the road. All you gotta do is knock it off with a hammer.
Knock it off with a hammer, huh?
Oh,
I see you get them motherfucking rotor off without taking this piece off.
I can do it.
Guarantee you will not get it
I
off.
don't know. I said I ain't never changed the rotors on this car.
Oh!
I ain't never changed the rotors on these
I'm
things.
trying to tell you, you're gonna need to take more than what you're taking off then. You'll see in a second.
Alright, we'll see.
You're gonna see in a second.
We'll see if you know what you're talking about over there.
I'm not even gonna get a ratchet.
Let's see if Charles know what he's talking about, y'all.
You got it on recording and shit?
Yeah.
Oh, you record? Oh, shit. I ain't hear you record. I'm been fucking around and shit. Oh, shit. Okay.
I got everything.
Okay.
And I ain't editing nothing.
Okay, cool. So I didn't know that shit. I'm gonna go quicker now. I was just fucking around with you. All right. Shit, now I'm really gonna go fast.
Oh.
Shit, I'm telling you, what you doing? You gonna do the next step.
You gonna speed up the tempo, y'all? That don't mean nothing. Little competition don't hurt.
I ain't using my gun. Using man.
Me neither. I ain't using my my little gun thingy. Hey man, it's hard to take off.
Hold on, I got something.
Dude, this thing is hard to take off. Alright, so Charles won. I ain't gonna do no more of the video. So what you gotta do is you gotta take all this stuff off to change your rotors and stuff. You need these to take that off, or you need your little ratchet set, and then sometimes you gotta use some, oh, you got some grease. It's easy. Oh yeah. So y'all, so about an hour later, I ordered the wrong front rotors. They're for the 2.0 stuff for the 3.0. I mean, no, they're for the 2.0 stuff for the 2.3. So had to go to Advanced Auto, get the right ones, or the ones for the rear. They're good. So I got something to eat, and yeah. But Charles beat me on the match about putting the rotor and caliper and stuff back on. It's all cool, you know.
Videotape me still doing my side.
He'd go, yeah, but you was done before you taking it off and everything. You would have been done,
Right.
you know, if we had the right parts and stuff like that. So I'm a fair person, so yeah, he got me on that one, man. So yeah, we changing the brakes. Oh, the wind. Hope the wind noise don't get y'all. Let me pick this up. I'm all dirty. And yeah, I'm about to put the rim back on. It's back on there. It's solid. Yes, sir. I look nice and fresh, right? Of course, you know they got the dirt on it, but I got to coat it so it won't get rusty looking. And I got to spray these calipers. They are dirty. Put these little ends on it. Alright, so I'm on the back ones. See how bad my brakes was, y'all? I was scraping. Let me show you. See how bad it was? It was scraping right here. That's exactly where it was at. See, man, I neglected her. So I'm trying to get her back to how she used to be, y'all. So she needs a lot of work. A lot of work that I can do. Some stuff other people can do. But stuff like this, that's what I do. I'm good on brakes, man. I save a lot of money doing my own brakes. Grizzly gang, as you see, it's like dark time, bro. I went to hell and back pretty much. Like when you work on cars, there's always something that goes wrong. My hands was clean because I had my gloves on, but my hands are dirty. My body is filthy. I'm filthy, y'all. So I did some work today. But what's going on is that got the new rotors and brakes on there, but I need to clean the car. I need to spray. What color should I make my brake calipers? What color y'all think I should do? Oh yeah, one thing, I got the wrong rotors. So I had to go to Advanced Auto to get those. I'm probably just gonna go back to Advanced Auto and just, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I probably just need to go back to whoever I got it from and go back to them, tell them, hey, I got the wrong part. Hey, can I swap it in for this? Cause I used the brakes, but I didn't use the rotor. Well, I used the brake pads, but I didn't use the rotors. So hopefully they let me trade out the rotors. I didn't touch them. I just tried seeing they didn't fit. So let me swap that out, and then everything else be good. Spray paint the calipers, and then yeah, my baby looking good. But she stops a lot better because the front has everything new on it, which is new brake pads and new rotors. And but the back is pretty much the same. But yeah, the front is why we really need it. But I did change the one to the left, the one that was scraping. I just changed the brake pads, and I should be getting the rotors in a few days. I don't know. Hopefully I get it in a few days, a week or so, and that shouldn't hurt my brake pads. And I just swap it out with a new rotor. So that's what I'm gonna do, man. That's what I'm doing. See, I'm telling you, I'm always doing something, man. Let me show y'all. Show you how dirty my hands is, man. My hands is filthy, bro. Shirt is jacked. You see that shirt? I'm jacked, bro. But that's what happens when you work on cars and stuff like that. I love it, but this is disappointing because I thought it was going to be like probably an hour or 2 hour job to turn into a 5 hour job, and then even a 6 hour job, because you see the sun is going down and it's like 6 o'clock. So I'm disappointed in that, but other than that, I'm happy that I don't have to worry about my brakes. You know, I'm able to stop if a deer, you know, jump in front of me or something like that. But I'll see you on the next one, man. Hopefully the next video will be a lot better. Peace, y'all. Peace.